welcome to the 2x2 Brickers YouTube channel and the box opening of Brick Sketchers 40386 Batman. And this has got a tiny 115 pieces for this Brick Sketchers. So anyway, let's have a look at the box. So, yes, Batman. That's a really cool picture of him. I love that side smile, or gritted teeth. And you can have two ways of mounting it. You can put it like a photograph frame, or you can put it on the wall, which is really cool. So let's open the box. I've not looked at any of these Brick Sketchers. This is the first one that we've got, and we're going to do an animation speed build of this one. So let's have a look inside, see what's there. We've got a booklet, one bag there, lots of plates for this one. Oh, some mega long pieces there. And another bag. Studs and pieces. I think it's amazing how it all fits together, and it actually looks like his face in a 3D sort of paint picture, which I think is fantastic. It's a really cool idea. Let's have a look at this. Put those there. It's the designer. It's brilliant how it all comes together, really. Just through shapes. Wonderful. And I think with the dots and things like that they've developed through Lego, it really sort of expands the creativeness for an artist to look at this as a medium to create with. And this is fantastic. How it builds 3D picture of Batman. That actually doesn't give it justice, really. Doesn't do it justice. So cool. So that's that. So there we have the box opening of Brick Sketchers 40386 Batman. So I hope you'll join us for the shorts. We're going to do a shorts speed build for this one on the YouTube channel. So hopefully you'll join us for that on 2x2 Brickers. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like what we're doing, and leave some comments. We want your comments on the channel, so do leave those too. Alright, see you soon. Enjoy the build. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you'd like to follow us on social media, go to Facebook, Twitter, Instagram at 2x2 Brickers, and our website 2x2brickers.co.uk. See you next time.